Hey there guys, welcome to Case Heads double box break number 345 of 1314 Panini Dominion. Last team that ended the break was the Edmonton Oilers on January 19th at 9:23 p.m. Eastern Time. So we're going to go to eBay's current date and time. Get the reload current page. Sorry. Focus there. So it's currently Monday, January 20th at 12:39 a.m. and I'm just going to hit refresh one more time. And the seconds change to 13. We are on Breaker CV here. So 345. And these are boxes 3 and 4 from the case. And we don't have any serial numbers because we listed the break before we knew before we opened our case. So I'll post the mini break 343 below to reference the box numbers for the people that was not in it. And come on, this 770674248686 and 0184 was the other one. Could get pretty noisy. People setting up scaffolding and stuff in the store here. Concealed. So I'm going to set you guys up here. I'll show you the serial number. Okay, I'll give you a buzz after on. So box number 1. Zero 0184 is our first one, so good luck guys. Okay. Here we go guys, good luck. So I got 5 cards and 1 mouth-in one. So we got base of Erik Karlsson, $2.99 for the Ottawa Senators. We have Dominion auto patch of Peter Mrazek, 14 of 99 for the Red Wings. And then we have a redemption. Just turn that around. Our redemptions for rookie patch autograph, Austin Watson for the Nashville Predators. For Nashville Predators. So whoever is Nashville, I can eBay message you the code if you like. And we have auto rookie of Michael Caruso for the Florida Panthers at $2.99. And we have Quad Prime for the Edmonton Oilers. Nail Yakupov, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Taylor Hall, and Jordan Eberle, number 10 of 10. So nice hit there for Edmonton. It is all Edmonton on the back. And we got Jamie Olesiak, private signings out of $1.99 for the Dallas Stars. On to box number 2. 8686. Okay. 6 cards down, so here we go guys, last box. So we got Dion Phaneuf, $2.99 for the Toronto Maple Leaf. We got a nice Dominion auto patch for the Vancouver Canucks of Daniel Sedin, 94 of 99 for the Canucks. We got just base rookie for the Florida Panthers. No idea who it is. Eric Selleck. Eric Selleck for the Panthers. We have a back-to-back beginnings. So it looks like that's the back part of Emerson Edom for the Ducks. And on the front we have Quinn Houghton. So it's going to be random between the Panthers and Ducks. So we'll do that right at the end. We got Tanner Pearson for the LA Kings, 69 of 299. And we have a dual showcase, which is going to be random between the Montreal Canadiens and Edmonton Oilers of Alex Galchenyuk and Nail Yakupov. So that concludes the break, guys. So just give me 1 minute. I'll set the randomizers for 2 cards. So it's going to be a little bit of peace and quiet for a minute here. So we'll turn you guys around here. Okay, so we have our first randomizer for our Alex Galchenyuk and Nail Yakupov, 25 of 50. So we got each team in 3 times. We're going to random a list 3 times, team on top. After the 3rd time we'll receive the cards. So good luck. 1, 2, final time, 3. The winner is the Edmonton Oilers, and you randomize this list 3 times. Now for our second one is the back-to-back beginnings of Quinn Houghton on the front. And on the back we have Emerson Edom for the Ducks. So 3 times here. 1, 2, and final time. The winner is the Anaheim Ducks, and you've randomized this list 3 times. So congratulations to the winners. And we got boxes 5 and 6 from the case tomorrow, and also double titanium also.